Hey guys, Yadi 555 here. No, it's not peak hour traffic. It's because we're all going to a concert. Well, I'm not going, I'm just going near there to get some food. But a famous person, I think her name's Justin Bieber, is playing here in Sydney Olympic Park at ANZ Stadium. So let's go and check it out. So I'm not a believer, and I'm sorry if you are, but you know, come on. I've got better things to do with my life, you know, like have sex and ride a motorcycle. So if you're a Justin Bieber fan, then great. But I hear it's all about like this teeny bopper sort of music. It's not really my cup of tea. I'm more of a Triple J radio listener. Who would have thought Justin Bieber would come all the way to Sydney? That's incredible, isn't it? And I hope I can get close enough, but in my backpack I've got my drone. So when you fly drones in Australia, you got to comply with the CASA regulations, so you can't go within 30 meters of buildings or people, and you can't really fly at night if possible, and you got to have line of sight vision of your drone. But hopefully we could get a nice quiet spot where I can launch from and discreetly do some footage. So all of these people here are all walking to the concert. Oh, the road is closed up ahead. Better do a U-turn. Wow, all these people here are also catching public transport to the event. That's the train station. Wow, they're like a horde of zombies. Justine Bieber. A horde of beavers. There's a limo there. Must be for Justine herself. So we're just walking to the concert now. We're gonna look like our biggest teeny bopper fan. So with so many people around, you got to take precautions when you're flying a drone. So you always got to pick a nice secluded area, 30 meters minimum away from everyone, because it's the law basically, and you want to keep everyone safe, and you don't want to get in trouble yourself, especially at a high profile event like this.
So you and me will kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Hopefully that made for some cool footage, but I'm going to get out of here now. The mosquitoes are biting me like there's no tomorrow. I had to put my jacket back on. Let's get out of here on the bike. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. As usual, stay on two wheels and not your head. Look out for those beavers, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Laters.